Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Motorola Moto G53. Maybe you want to start fresh again, or you want to sell your phone because you got a new one, or whatever it is. For that you want to go ahead and take out all your SIM cards and SD cards if you have some in the phone. I'm going to take a paper clip now, but you can also of course use the SIM card ejector that comes with the phone. I'm gonna take that out now and put it aside, and then put that thing back in the phone. Now we want to go to our settings and go to password and accounts, and we have two accounts here, and if we click on them we can say remove account. Yes, we're sure. Use PIN. Alright, we can do the same with our WhatsApp account. And now we don't have any accounts left. We can go back and go to system now and click on reset options. We have the option to reset the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, app preferences, baseband settings, erase downloaded SIM, or erase all data factory reset. We want that, so we click on it and say erase all data. Then we need to verify ourselves and say erase all data. So now we're back at the start. You can go ahead and set up your phone again, restart, or sell your phone now. So that's how you can do a factory reset on your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.